Welcome. Today we learn who can open, change, or run files in Linux. Think of it like a locker, only certain people have the combo. We'll cover 5 tools: chmod, chown, umask, special bits, and ACLs. Here's our plan for today. 7 topics total. We go from the big idea down to the fine details. Every file has 3 types of people: the owner, the group, and everyone else. Owner is like your locker. Group is your friend who knows the combo. Others are strangers. The bottom bar shows a real LSL line. We'll decode it next slide. R equals read, W equals write, X equals execute. 9 letters, split into 3 groups of 3. On a directory, X means you can enter it. W means you can add or delete files inside. Each letter has a number. R equals 4, W equals 2, X equals 1. Add them up to get the octal digit. RW- equals 6. chmod changes permissions. 2 styles. Octal sets all bits at once, or symbolic changes one thing. Octal. chmod 755 file name. Symbolic. chmod u plus x file name. Adds execute just for the owner. These 6 patterns cover almost everything you'll need on the job. 644 equals normal file. 755 equals program or folder. 600 equals secret file, like SSH keys. Never use 777 on a real server. It lets everyone read, write, and run the file. chown changes who owns a file. chgrp changes the group. Permission check order. Root first, then owner, then group, then others. The kernel stops at first match. Umask sets the default permission for brand new files. New files start at 666, new directories at 777. The umask is subtracted. For example, the umask is 022, which gives files 644 and directories 755. Set the umask in ~/.bashrc or /etc/profile so it applies for every login. 3 special bits add extra power to permissions. Setuid 4000. Program runs as the file's owner. Example: passwd runs as root so it can edit /etc/shadow. Setgid 2000 on a directory. New files inherit the directory's group. Sticky 1000 on a directory. Only the file's owner can delete it, used on /tmp. ACLs let you give specific users or groups their own permissions beyond the standard 3. Getfacl shows the full list. Setfacl -m u:/bob:/rx adds an entry for one user. A plus at the end of ls-l output means the file has an ACL. Use getfacl to see it. 6 things to remember from today. Most important: least privilege. Only give the access that's actually needed. 644, 755, 600 are common settings for the normal files, directories, and secret files. Audit SUID files. Use ACLs when standard permissions aren't enough. Thank you for watching CyberPod 6 Linux series. Subscribe so you'll be notified when we add more topics for Linux system administration. CyberPod 6, finding new ways to share the cybersecurity knowledge.